How to accept friend request on Discord PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google and then search discord.com and log into your account. On the left side, click on direct messages. After you've clicked on it, click on friends, and then in friends, you'll find pending if you have any friend request. Click on pending and you'll find friend request. If you have it, to accept it, click on the tick mark. After you've clicked on the tick mark, you will be friend with that person, which basically means you have accepted their friend request on Discord. This is how to accept friend request on Discord PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.